death with him? Yeah, I broke my thumb.
3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. Answer should be 5 x to the third plus 15x squared. $27x squared plus 6x. Three times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. These cancel out, and you're left with 5x. You should get 4x minus 4 plus 3x plus 6, 7x plus 2. Winning numbers are 1, 5, 10, 13, and 20. Today's objective is to switch from standard form to slope-intercept form. This is standard, this is slope-intercept. Example 1. 3x plus 8y equals 16. And you want to change it from that to slope-intercept form. You have to get the y completely by itself. To do that, you leave the 8y where it's at and move the 3x over to the right. Change the sign. Once you do that, divide by the number that is with the y. When you do that, the 8 cancels out here. And then you have a negative 3 over 8x, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. Example number 2. This is 3x minus 2y equals 4. You must change it to slope-intercept form. Leave the y term where it's at and move the x term over to the left, or to the right, and change the sign. Leave the 4 where it's at. Once you have that, divide everything by negative 2. These cancel out. Negative 3 over negative 2 is positive 3 over 2, x. 4 over negative 2 is going to be minus 2. On the practice problem, you should have negative 4y equals negative 6x plus 8 to start with, and then divide everything by negative 4. This cancels out. Negative 6 over negative 4, it changes to positive, but it also reduces. Always reduce unreduced fractions. And then this divided by this is minus 2. Answer to the bonus should be negative x plus 21. Answer on the bonus is x plus 8. You should have 4y equals a negative 12x plus 16 to start with. Divide everything by 4. Y equals negative 3x plus 4. Answer on this one is negative 18x minus 33. Winning numbers are 3, 5, and 8. Here is example 3. This is point slope. And it is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. This is the slope. And this come from a point. I think this should be example 3, and I put that on example 3, so we're on 4, but we'll add new screens. Anyway, you're going to start with this. You're given a slope, and you're given a point. And you have to create the point slope form from that. So again, you know that point slope is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. Plug in the slope for m, 3 over 4. And the point goes here and here. A point is xy, negative 3, 2, xy. Your y is 2. If the y is positive, then you're keeping this minus sign and just writing 2. For the x, in the formula it's minus. In the point, it's negative. Minus a negative is plus. That's it. Here's another example. The point is negative 4, negative 3. And the slope is a negative 1/2. Of course, it's y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. Plug in what you know. The slope is a negative 1/2. And for your point, it's negative 4, negative 3. The x is negative. If the x is negative, minus a negative is going to be plus 4. The y is a negative 3. Minus a negative 3 would be plus 3. That is it. For the point slope form, you should have y plus 4 equals 5 times the quantity x minus 2. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Negative 2x plus 3x is x. Negative 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Nine x plus 47. This is y plus 6 equals 3x minus 6. So you should have y equals 3x minus 6 minus 6. And that changes to a minus 12. Any questions about that?
What form is it in?
Where?
Oh, okay.
Here's another one. This is in point slope form. Y minus 2 equals 1/2 times the quantity x plus 4. Change it to slope-intercept form. So on the right side, multiply through by a half to get 1/2 x plus 2. And then move this over to the right. Change the sign. And then simplify. Answer to this one is 0.